Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. What game are you playing?
Kia ora, Kōkā! Snakes and ladders!
That's a good idea for a rainy day.
It's okay. They're better playing outside, though. It's raining outside, or we'll get wet. Ooh, the sky's getting dark. Maybe there's a storm coming. We'll be okay. Oh, I don't like lightning. We should hide. Let's all sing a song so we can't hear the thunder. Singing will help us feel strong.
Nice idea. Why don't you sing together so no one will feel scared or afraid? How are you all feeling now, Tākaro Tribe?
Good, Kōkā. I'm not scared anymore. Look, the rain has stopped. Yay! We can go outside and play.
Ooh, the storm was quite bad, Tākaro Tribe. I wonder how Pāpā Rākau is.
Maybe he was scared of the storm too.
Off you go to see Pāpā Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Are you okay?
I'm okay now. That was a bad storm.
I was scared of the thunder and lightning. It's Kuaka, Pāpā Rākau. He fell out of your branches. Poor Kuaka.
He and his flock should be starting their long journey now. Kuaka has told me he can't find his flock. Perhaps you can help him.
How can we help him, Pāpā Rākau?
You should ask the ngahere.
E te wānui e hora nei, Tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie huie taikie. It's the letter M.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite. Aha ka mana para kawana pa. E heke mene tere te wene pe. I hiki mini diri tiwingi fi. Oho ko mono pora kawana po. A e I o u. Uhu ku munu piri tunu fu. I feel sorry for Kuaka being separated from his whānau. What are we going to do if we can't find his flock? We keep looking. Let's not be scared.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You made it to the top.
I can see the ocean far, far away. Me too. And I can see a flock of birds flying in a circle. It must be Kuaka's whānau. Kuaka wants to fly. I think he's too scared from the storm. How can we help him? Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what it says?
M, A, I, A. Ma, Ia, Maya.
Well done, Maya. Brave.
Let's be brave, guys. If we are brave, Kuaka will be brave too. You okay now, Kuaka? When I was scared, my whānau helped me be brave. Your whānau will help you too. Who's right, Kuaka? Your family are here to support you and help you be brave.
He's flying in a circle to say thank you, Tākaro Tribe.
Goodbye, Kuaka. See you in spring. How long will it take the Kuaka whānau to fly back to the other side of the world? Let's ask Pāpā Rākau.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You managed to help Kuaka find his flock.
Yes, Pāpā Rākau. We have a question, Pāpā Rākau.
Ask away,
How long will it take the Kuaka whānau to fly back to the other side of the world?
The flock will fly past Australia, then back to their other home in the North Pole.
Wow, that's a very long way. Thank you, Pāpā Rākau.
Let's look at some shapes. Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Ana! And we had lots of fun!
Yes, Shall we look at the things you did?
Ana!
The storm frightened Afterwards, you went to see Pāpā Rākau when Kuaka fell out of his branches. Then you set out to help Kuaka find his flock. You learnt to spell the word Maia. M-A-I-A. Maia. Brave! You climbed to the top of a hill and saw Kuaka's whānau in the distance. With your help, Kuaka succeeded in getting back to his flock. Ka pai Tākaro Tribe! How do you all feel now?
We feel harikua! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmārie!
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe Pōmārie, e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moea. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moea. E pai ai o moe moea.
Pōmārie! Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Pāho.